Hello everyone, Marguerite here. Welcome back to my channel. I got a couple changes as you can tell. I just put up a random sheet behind me, so I'm sorry if that looks really tacky. I need to figure something out. We're about to move, so I'll have a new background in March. I don't know, mid to late March. But where I currently film, it just, the coloring, it picks up green because it's green wallpaper and a green mantle, and it just casts this like weird grayish green cast on me. The lighting's always weird, and it's just really hard to try to color correct and fix. So I'm just trying out this white sheet. It probably isn't helping my cause, but anyways, I'm gonna be pretty zoomed in for this tutorial, so you won't see the background anyways. But I wanted to do a very fun eye look. I was inspired by Lady Gaga's looks when she was on the red carpet at the Grammys. She had this beautiful black glitter extended eyeshadow wing look, and I just thought it was so pretty, and I have the perfect products to do it, so I wanted to recreate that. I understand no one may ever recreate this and wear it anywhere, but it's just so fun. I wanted to do it. I thought she hands down had the prettiest makeup, and I just wanted to recreate it. So if you want to see how to get Lady Gaga's eyeshadow look from the red carpet, then keep watching. The perfect product that I thought I would use for this is this little guy. The Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Molten Midnight. I'm pretty sure this is what she had on her eyelids. I also have the Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome and the color Gunmetal, which I think is a good drugstore dupe. I might apply this first and then apply this on top, just to show you different ways. And I also have this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Frisky. So it's very black and glittery. So I don't know, I might use this as well. Might just be using lots. So this is gonna be very dramatic. To start with my base, I'm gonna use the Sonia Kashuk. This is the Eye on Neutral #2 Eye Couture palette. And I'm just going to kind of mattify my lid, apply a couple transition shades, and really extend the black very dramatically to create a very extended wing. All right, so first I'm priming my eyes. I think this is very important just to help enhance eyeshadow, the following eyeshadows, and to help them appear more pigmented and prevent them from creasing. So this is a MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. Then I'm using the IT Cosmetics blending brush. It's one of the softest eyeshadow brushes I have. And I'm just gonna first set that primer. This will just help following powders glide on more smoothly. Same reason you want to set your face after you apply your cream products. I'm gonna first take this tan shade and just apply this in an outer V, and then I'm gonna blend it into the crease. But I want to start, you know, really extending this out towards the tail of my eyebrow. And you're not gonna see this at first. This is just the base color. This is just gonna help following colors blend better and not look patchy. But you can take a minute to blend, and it will warm up with the warmth from your eyelid and help that blend a little more naturally. Then I'm just gonna go in with this warmer, darker brown color. Just start building this up. And again, I'm going in a horizontal V shape, extending it out in a really intense eyeshadow wing. Extending the point out to basically match up where the tail of my eyebrow goes. All right, now we're just gonna go in to the black and just start, same thing, horizontal V, and just go back and forth to blend it out so that you don't have streakiness, and just slowly start extending it way out. Now I'm going to take this ColourPop shadow. I just want to start adding some shimmer and just kind of enhance this. I'm gonna apply this on the lid. And I think by having a black shadow on the lid, it will help the Stila one and the Maybelline one be more pigmented. This is really pretty. This is more like gunmetal-y with sparkle. I feel like hers was so sparkly and gorgeous. So I want to recreate that. Now for the fun stuff. I'm first gonna apply the Maybelline Color Tattoo and then put the Stila over it. Okay, now the Stila. One. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for a minute before I put eyeliner on. I'm just gonna put a little white in my lower waterline. I don't remember, I don't know what she had on her lower lash line, but I don't think she had that much. Well, I do have this is a blue eyeliner by Marc Jacobs. I'm just gonna apply a little and smudge it in just to balance out all that I got going on the top, but I really don't think she had that much on the bottom. We're gonna apply a little white in the lower waterline. Now for a little eyeliner, I'm gonna use, this is new for me, the Maybelline Master Precise Ink Metallic Eyeliner. It says it's waterproof. And I'm gonna make this very dramatic. I think she had a very dramatic eyeliner. And this says it's metallic. But I'm just gonna basically follow and extend that as far out as the eyeshadow goes and then bring it in. Just to create a very intense wing. I believe hers was much thicker than this, but this is good for me. I'm gonna apply a little mascara now. You can definitely apply false lashes, but I'm not doing that. I'm sure she had them on, but it's so black, can't really see it. Anyways, unless you want like really dramatic false lashes, but I don't feel like putting that on. I'm trying to make my eyelashes grow. Those are just hurting my cause. I should try this out for Valentine's Day. What do you think? Okay, what do you guys think? You can top off with a nude lip. This is new by Sephora. It's called Outrageous Effect Volume Plump Effect in the color Outrageous, number 2. Just a pretty nude pink. It's supposed to be plumping. And this is supposed to be comparable to the Dior Lip Addict or whatever those are. This feels very tingly. This is a plumping gloss. If any of you are looking for that. Alrighty, so this is the final eye makeup look inspired by Lady Gaga. I understand it is not exact. Hers was far more dramatic and extended way farther out. But I think the black glitter is so sultry and pretty and unexpected, you know? It's very intense, but it's still very sexy. So, you know, if you want to tone it down and not extend it out in a wing and just do the glitter on the lid, I think this would be really sexy for Valentine's Day, honestly, with a little sexy cat eye flick and a nude lip. This one's pretty good. But yeah, what do you guys think of this? I think it's so pretty. So anyways, that finishes this eye makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any other suggestions for eye makeup looks you'd like to see, and I'd be happy to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Mwah. Goodbye.